Welcome back to the channel. If you love creative crafts, mind-blowing facts, or just need a little fun in your feed, hit that like button and subscribe right now. Today, we're making something insanely cool, a paper owl bookmark. But while that's happening on screen, I'm about to drop some owl facts so weird, you'll question everything you thought you knew. Let's go. Now, first off, owls aren't just birds. They're ancient symbols of wisdom, silence, and pure stealth. Some scientists believe owls evolved from dinosaurs that chose silence over size. Their wings are covered in tiny serrated feathers that cancel sound completely, so they can fly inches from their prey without making a single noise. In fact, in one study, an owl flew right past 18 microphones, and none of them picked up a thing. Here's a creepy one. Some people believe owls don't sleep. That's right, never. They just freeze and go into a kind of deep trance where their mind leaves their body and flies elsewhere. No one's ever seen an owl blink twice. Coincidence? Their eyes? Not regular eyes. They're actually tubes, like night vision telescopes shoved into their skulls. That's why they can't roll their eyes. They move their entire heads instead. And speaking of heads, owls can turn theirs around 270 degrees like a horror movie character and still survive. Why? Because their veins have secret pathways that bypass normal blood flow. That's right, backup plumbing in their necks. They were built different. And here's a total mind bender. Some believe owls don't see time like us. When they look at you, they don't just see you now. They see past you, future you, and everything you've ever thought. Makes you wonder what's going on inside those glowing eyes. So if this video made you think, smile, or even say, "What the heck did I just hear?" smash that like button and subscribe right now. Drop a comment with your favorite owl fact. I want to see how creative you get. Thanks for watching.